Okay, I want to show you a fun new product that's just absolutely gorgeous, and it's so hard to capture in pictures, but this is faux. All of this is faux, so it's an artificial plant tile. It's about 3 by 3, a little bit less than that due to the metrics, and just the absolute dimension in all this. It's ISO 9000, which means it's recyclable, and they had to do that just to get all the detail. So when you look at like these ferns, you can see how incredible that detail is. And it is really just, you can see that it'd be indoor or outdoor, which I really think is going to be really important in a lot of applications. You could do it as a divider. It would also help as far as in the sound, because this really will, this really is a thick piece. But in an outdoor application, when you've got the UV protection that this has, I think that that would be really important. So this is something that I can just see a lot of places looking for because of the maintenance. The only maintenance you're going to have with this is some dusting. So when it comes to trying to keep a living plant wall, you just have a lot of maintenance. I'm going to spin this so you can kind of see the dimensions, and then some of the pictures I have, you'll be able to see the backing, which is a grid wall backing. But I think you can kind of see hopefully how thick that is. But like I said, a really cool product with a lot of different applications.